Let me share my content creation journey with you while I make this one pot of rice and chicken. So I started content creation in 2020. I had uploaded a couple of videos on my Facebook page, Talk with T, and after a couple of positive comments and responses, I moved to YouTube. I uploaded my first video in April. I can't remember the date right now, and I'm also proud of myself. I got my friends and my family to subscribe. And if you had seen my setup, then you know that where there's a will, there's a way. I think I still have a picture of it, but I don't know where it is. I will just have to search for it. I've taken that picture for, oh, look at where I've started and where how far it has brought me. But let's I digress. Then I started looking for subscribers. I was posting everywhere. I was doing all the call to action, yet my subscription wasn't coming in. People were not subscribing to my channel. I felt discouraged, and then I was advised to do sub for sub. Never again. I would tell any YouTuber not to ever, if you're just starting, do not ever do sub for sub, because that hurt my channel. I was subscribing to channels that I would never watch, channels that they were speaking languages I could not understand. There was no even subtitle or a caption for me to be able to understand what they were saying, and I was subscribing to them, and they were also subscribing to me. Mind you, if YouTube notices a person on your platform, then for a long time the person is not active, they won't subscribe the person. So all the sub for sub I got, I lost them, and that was a very trying period for me. Also, I felt very heartbroken. Today I would say like, oh, I have 50. Tomorrow I wake up and I see 48, and I was like, oh my god, why is YouTube removing them? First I thought they were not unsubscribing, but then after a while I noticed that it was actually YouTube that was removing them because they were not active, because they couldn't relate to my content, and I couldn't relate to their content either. So never do sub for sub. So after I lost all the sub for sub, I started growing not organically, and I'm happy about that. All the subscribers I have right now, they grew organically. So if you're starting your content creation journey, do not give up, just keep going. Right now I have 500 subscribers, and yes, it might look like a little for over 4 years, but it's still something. It's still growth, and I'm happy about that. So I'm just trying to channel my energy right now into TikTok, and I hope it works out well for me. So please do well to follow me and like this video. If you enjoy what I've been talking about, please like and follow me. There are more content coming away from on this page, and I just want to be sharing everything I find interesting about myself, about life. I would share it on this platform. Thank you. Bye.